Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Guys, in this video I will share with you how you can cancel Puma app, and keep watching guys. And out of your order confirmation email, you'll be sent your inbox and your email, and soon your place your order, and the order is processed and you will receive an email warehouse that our warehouse has received your order and is ready to be shipped. Unfortunately, so guys, this is submitted. Will not be able to make any change or cancel your order. And check out the return policy. Here you can see here guys, to redirect the return portal, initiate and return online free, and it is available order placed after placed or purchase by credit card and through PayPal will be credited back original from your payment. Guys, with Puma gift card will be issued with the separate EAG gift card, and refund amount return that have been initiated can take 2-week process depending your support and you received. Please guys, make sure select the right item and you wish to return a voucher. I hope this video helpful. See you on my video soon.